how to send your Shiba from and to Coinbase Pro. Let's do that right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. I'm excited to show you this because I haven't seen anybody do a video of how to do it. So let's go ahead and do this right now. So what you want to go ahead and do, let's do the one that you're sending your Shiba from Coinbase Pro to something like Shiba Swap, Coinbase Wallet. Let's do that. So let me go back to the beginning. So let's say I've got some Shiba on my Coinbase Pro. So the next thing you want to go ahead and do, of course, log in, click on the link below if you don't have an account already. And this is only if you bought Shiba on Coinbase Pro. So you want to go to your portfolio that's right here. It's loading up here. It's taking some time. Okay, it's loaded up. And the next thing you want to go ahead and do is you want to click on deposit. Now, the next thing you want to do is, actually, let's click on withdraw. Withdraw, click on Shiba, click on this as well. It's showing you the daily limit. And the next thing is asking me to do, where do you want to move the Shiba to? Now, the default portfolio is automatically selected to Shiba because I selected on the last page. Now, this here is saying, okay, where do you want this to go? And make sure it is a valid Shiba address. It's so important. So I'm going to go right to my Shiba Swap, and I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to go ahead and copy the address because this is my Shiba on the Shiba Swap, but it's tied into my Coinbase wallet as well. So I'm going to go back to here, and I'm going to select this, and I'm going to paste it there, and I'm going to say use this address. Now, the only thing that I cannot do at this particular time is take this transaction, because if I click on preview your deposit, my availability of withdrawal of Shiba has not been actually approved yet. It will be in a couple of days. But once it does approve, I'll be able to withdraw this, and this will go right to my Coinbase wallet that's fed into my Shiba Swap. So I'm just showing you how to do this, already. So all I have to do is click on maximum or whatever amount I need to do, and click on continue or click on withdraw, and you should be good to go. So you should check your Coinbase wallet or your wallet connect or whatever you're sending it to, your MetaMask, and make sure it's in there correctly. So that's how you send your Shiba from Coinbase Pro to whatever you want to send it to. Make sure it is a valid Shiba address. It doesn't matter if it's an exchange like crypto.com or if it's actually a wallet, a Coinbase wallet. Make sure it's there. So now the next thing, let's say you want to go ahead and move your Shiba from somewhere else like Shiba Swap, Coinbase wallet, to Coinbase Pro. So the thing you want to go ahead and do is click on deposit, and then find the asset that you're trying to make this transaction, which is Shiba, obviously. Click on Shiba. Let me move this over here. Click on crypto address. It just says Shiba transfer will be credited to your account after 35 network confirmations. So click on the I understand. Remember, only send Shiba to this address. Click on I understand this. And what this is actually the wallet address where you need to be able to send to. So if you're working with somewhere else and it's asking to send to, use this wallet address. So I can click on this, and now what I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm going to use the Coinbase wallet in this example. Now, let's pretend this is Shiba, because I don't currently have any Shiba in my Coinbase wallet, because as you see here, I am actually bearing all of my Shiba at this particular time. So let's pretend this is Ethereum. Let's pretend this is Shiba, even though it's Ethereum. What you would do is click on send, and then the amount. Let's say I did the maximum amount. Let's just say this. Remember, pretend this is Shiba, and then click on next, and you will just copy and paste that address, which is right here, right in here, right there. And then after that, you click on send. And then from there, you will see your Shiba inside your Coinbase portfolio. Just like that. Very simple and very easy. All right, so take it slow. Go back over this video if you need to do it. If you don't have a Coinbase account, click on the link below. It's very simple and very easy to do. And let's go ahead and do this right now. My name is Adam Shelton, and thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, Coinbase Pro with Shiba. And next is going to be Coinbase.com with Shiba. Let's go. I'll see you in the next video.